Hey there, money movers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down financial tasks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to transfer money from PNC Bank to Remitly in 2025. Whether you're sending cash to family abroad or handling international payments, this step-by-step guide will get you sorted quickly and securely. Let's jump right in. First off, why use PNC Bank with Remitly? PNC offers reliable banking with seamless transfer options, and Remitly specializes in fast, low-fee international remittances. By 2025, these platforms have integrated even better for smoother transactions. To start, make sure you have the PNC Bank app or website ready on your device, and download the Remitly app if you haven't already. Step 1. Log into your PNC Bank account. Use your credentials and enable two-factor authentication for extra security. It's a must in 2025 with all the digital upgrades. Once you're in, head to the Transfers or Payments section. Look for the option to add an external recipient or initiate a wire transfer. Step 2. Select Remitly as your recipient. If it's your first time, you'll need to enter Remitly's account details. PNC now has a direct link feature for Remitly users, so search for it in the transfer menu. Enter the amount you want to send, double-check the currency exchange rates if it's international, and review any fees. PNC might charge a small flat fee, but Remitly often covers more. Step 3. Confirm the details. Hit Send or Transfer now, and you'll get a confirmation code via email or text. Now, switch to the Remitly app. Log in, go to your dashboard, and accept the incoming transfer. Remitly's 2025 updates make this almost instant for many countries. A quick tip: always verify recipient details to avoid errors, and keep an eye on exchange rates using apps like Z or the built-in tools in PNC and Remitly. If you're dealing with large amounts, consider setting up recurring transfers for convenience. And there you have it. That's how you transfer money from PNC Bank to Remitly in 2025. It's straightforward, safe, and saves you time. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.